Hey gamers, welcome back. Sick of Steam downloads stopping and starting, turning a quick game install into a 2-hour slog? Well, I've got the top fixes to smooth out those downloads. Let's get you gaming fast. So guys, first, bad connections are a big culprit. Restart your router, unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Test your speed at speedtest.net, widely used service for testing your internet speed. So you need stable internet for Steam's big files. In Steam, go to Steam, Settings and Downloads, and switch your download region to a nearby foreign country, for example like Canada, or if you're in the US, Reddit users swear by Frankfurt, Germany, for consistency. Clear the download cache in the same menu, it's okay, and restart Steam. Also guys, Steam hates bandwidth hogs. Open Task Manager and end tasks for apps like browsers, Skype or CCleaner. Keeps Steam solo. Check disk space as well. Steam needs triple the game size for unpacking. So 50 gigabytes game wants 153 on a hard drive. Well, that's often the issue. Swap and to an SSD if possible. HDDs choke on Steam's file writes. In the settings, then download, set limit bandwidth to no limit and uncheck only auto update games between. And guys, that's pretty much the result of our fixes. You should be good now. Steam downloads fixed. Test those speeds and dive into your games. Love this. Smash that like, subscribe, and of course, comment which fix worked for you. See you in the next one. Game on, my friends.